G'day guys, Caleb from Happy Go Travel. One of the questions we get asked a lot is what tools do we take with us when we go four driving or go on our adventures, go on our big trips? So, which got me thinking, I normally don't actually carry a lot of tools. It's a good excuse to go and buy some new tools and make an off-road toolkit. Come with me, I'll take you to one of my favourite places and we'll go and get some new tools. Going to super cheap with an idea is like going shopping when you're hungry. So let's go home and we will put all this new toolkit together and see how we go. So the plan is to have a permanent toolkit live inside the drawer that's in the back of our Fortuner. So this is all the gear we got. We got a heap of tools. Spent a few $100, don't get me wrong. Decided to go with all Tool Pro stuff, so which is, I believe it's Super Cheap's brand. We got Allen keys and Torx keys. Only got metric Allen keys, so we don't need any Imperial ones. Got this pack of pliers, actually surprisingly really good value. It was about $25. You got linesman pliers, side cutters, long needle nose pliers, and a set of little adjustable multi grips. We also got a set of vice grips as well. Thought we might need them. Got a tiny little hacksaw, a little hammer, a couple of shifters, and some socket rails. And then we've got this big toolkit down here, which has got pretty much every socket you could possibly imagine, both metric and Imperial. We've got a heap of spanners, and then a breaker bar, ratchets, extensions, swivels. Of course, can you really have a toolkit without zip ties, duct tape, and WD-40? We've got some bags for storage. I know what you're thinking bag-wise, my wife's handbag's bigger than that, probably is. So let's do it, let's build our little toolkit. Quite a lot of tools fit in my little handy handbag, Tool Pro handbag. This is going to be all the gear that we carry with us. Like I said, the big sockets we're not sure yet, they might be a bit of overkill. With these 3/8 drive sockets, we decided to keep them just because the profile of them is a bit smaller, so if there is a tighter place that I need to get into, we'll have them. Otherwise we would have just stuck with all the 1/2 inch drive. We'll keep them for a little bit and just see how they go. If we don't use them, they'll probably come out as well. So it's pretty impressed that it'll fit. A 1/2 inch drive. It just sits on top. 1/4 inch gear up the end. And our hammer. Allen keys, Torx keys. Pry bar in down the side. Start putting pliers and vice grips and whatnot in. Tapes down the end there. Keep them down nice and low. Actually impressed at how much we managed to get in here. So yeah, that's all the gear in our little bag, and it'll fit in our drawer and won't take up a heap of space, which is good. Which is what the aim was initially. It's definitely tight to do up. We only just managed to fit in the bag, but there we have it. So it's all the tools. We've got the little bag and the tool rail. Won't take up a lot of space. So yeah, it should be a good thing. Love to hear your thoughts and your opinions. Whether you think I'm carrying too much gear, not enough gear, even what you guys carry. let me know. Let me know if there's something that I've missed that you think should be in there. One thing I will say also is, with the Tool Pro tools from Super Cheap Auto, yeah, they're definitely cheaper tools, but they're not cheap quality. They feel like they're good quality. They feel like they're going to last. I'm pretty happy I achieved what I wanted to achieve.